If you use Calendly to book meetings, interviews, or client calls, knowing how to manage phone number settings can save you a lot of time and help you collect the exact information you need from invitees. In this video, I'll show you how to find the phone number question inside your Calendly event settings, how to edit it, and how to save your changes properly. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Let's jump in. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the scheduling section. This is where you'll manage your event types and booking settings. Click into scheduling so you can see the events that are already set up on your account. Next, select the event you want to update. This could be a one-on-one meeting, a team event, a consultation, or any booking page where you want to collect a phone number from the invitee. After selecting the event, open the More Options menu. Depending on your screen size and Calendly layout, this may appear as a button or a drop-down with additional settings. Now look for Invitee questions. This is the area where Calendly controls the questions people see when they book time with you. Open that section and you'll find the different fields that are being asked of your invitees, including any phone number question that has already been added. Scroll through the list until you find the phone number question. Once you locate it, you can edit the question text, adjust whether it is required, or change the settings based on the type of information you want to collect. For example, if you want a cleaner booking form, you can simplify the wording. If you want to make sure every invitee submits a number, you can set it as required. If your process only needs a phone number for certain events, you can customize it for that specific event instead of applying it everywhere. Take a moment to review the question carefully. This is important because a small change in wording can affect how invitees respond. You want the question to be clear, professional, and easy to understand so people don't hesitate when filling out the form. After you finish editing the question or its settings, make sure to save the changes. If you skip this step, your updates won't apply to the booking page. Once saved, your Calendly event will now use the updated phone number settings for future invitees. And that's it. You've now learned how to manage phone number settings in Calendly by finding the right event, opening invitee questions, editing the phone number field, and saving your updates. This is a simple change, but it can make a big difference in how smoothly your scheduling process works. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software you want to learn next.